Hello, period 4. Today in class, we were working through page 135 in the textbook. We are doing 21 through 26 and number 28. So go ahead and pull up the box page like I have, and you will probably want to pull up the textbook as well and go to page 135. And we will go through these together. Okay, here we go. On page 35, we are starting with number 21. And it wants us to write and solve an inequality that represents x. Okay, scooch this over a little bit. Okay, so the perimeter is less than 28. So there's kind of like my equal sign. It's less than 28. Perimeter is the distance around this triangle. So 7 plus x. There's my inequality. Go ahead and combine your like terms. And then we're going to solve for x. So do the inverse and subtract 14 from both sides. Show your cancellation. X is less than 14. Okay. Number 2. Not 2, 22. The base is greater than the height. The base is x plus 3, and it is greater than the height, which is 8. That's how we would write the inequality. Do the inverse operation and subtract 3 from both sides to isolate the variable. So x is less than, nope, x is greater than 5. Number 23. The perimeter, the distance around, is less than or equal to 51 meters. And then around we have an 8 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus some unknown. We'll combine like terms, 16 and 20 would be 36. Plus some unknown is less than or equal to 51. We'll subtract to get that variable by itself. So x will be less than or equal to 15. Okay. Alrighty, moving on to number 24. The solution of d plus s is greater than -3 is d greater than -7. What is the value of s? Okay, so here's what we're doing. We're doing d plus s is greater than -3. Okay. Okay, we have to solve. D is greater than -7. So we'll put in -7 for D. Add s. Solve for s. Add 7 to both sides. So inverse operation. So s has got to be greater than 4. Okay. Alrighty. Number 25. We have a bird feeder. The hole for a bird feeder post is 3 feet deep. The top of the post needs to be at least 5 feet above the ground. If it has to be at least 5 feet, we need to say greater than or equal to 5 feet above the ground. Write and solve an inequality that represents the required length of the post. Okay, the hole is 3 feet deep. So we're going to do x minus the 3. Okay, we're digging a hole. Solve for x by adding 3 to both sides. So x is less than or equal to 8. So the post must be at least 8 feet. Okay. Alrighty. 26 is a 3-part problem. You can spend up to $35 on your shopping trip. So up to 35 meaning no more than 35, so less than or equal to 35. 26A, you want to buy a shirt that costs 14, right, and solve an inequality that represents the amount of money you will have left if you buy the shirt. So again, you have up to 35, so less than or equal to $35 to spend. Some amount plus the shirt is 14 needs to be less than or equal to 35, right, and solve. So I'm going to subtract from both sides. So I will have $21 left to spend. 26B, you notice that the shirt is on sale for 30% off. How does this change the inequality? Okay. The shirt was $14, so I need to figure out what is 30% off of the shirt. So $14 was the shirt, 30% off. So $4.20 off. So if it's 30% off, the shirt's now $9.80. So X plus $9.80 is the shirt, less than or equal to $35. Okay, so obviously you're going to have more money left to spend. And then 26C, do you have enough money to buy the shirt that is on sale? So it's $9.80 on sale, and a pair of pants that cost $23. So $23 for the pants, $9.80, was it $9.80? $9.80 for the shirt. You've got $32.80. That is less than or equal to the 35 that you have. So yes, you have enough as long as the shirt is on sale and to buy those pair of pants. Good. And the last one, number 28. The possible values of x are given by x plus 8 is less than or equal to 6. What is the greatest possible value of 7x? Okay, so we're going to start with doing x plus, how do I erase? I don't see my erase button. X plus 8 is less than or equal to 6. So go ahead and start solving that. So we're going to subtract 8 from both sides. So x is less than or equal to a -2. Now it wants to know the possible values of 7x. So 7x, you're going to throw in -2 for x. 7 times a -2. -14 is the greatest possible value. Greatest possible value is a -14. Okay, period 4. So the last thing that we are doing in class today is a 4.1 to 4.2 checkpoint. That is in Canvas. I will need you to fill that out and email that to me, please. If you are absent, you need to fill that out in Notability and then email it to me as an attachment. There's not a place for you to put it in Canvas, okay?